Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Eat to Nourish. Today I would be talking to you about foods for brain as I promised you in my last video. To understand about foods for brain, you need to first know about the nutrition composition of brain, which highly depends on what we eat. So if we look at the nutrition composition of brain, except water, the major composition of brain is made up of fats. In the remaining part, it has amino acids, proteins, micronutrients, and glucose. So, since our brain is more of fats, the superstar of all the nutrients for brain is of course fats, also known as lipids. But we need to know what kind of fats does our brain require. Our brain requires omega 3 fatty acids. Omega 3 fatty acids are essential fatty acids that our body can't make and depends on our dietary intake. So these are some of the omega 3 fatty acid sources which can be included in daily routine of life. All the brain cells require these omega 3 fatty acids for their structure and ability to perform. So, the presence of omega 3 fatty acids in diet may enhance cognitive function and is found to reduce oxidative stress, whereas their absence or low intake is found to increase the risk of mental health disorders like including our focus, mood control, dyslexia, dementia, depression, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia. Our central nervous system requires a number of amino acids found in proteins. These various kind of amino acids are necessary for the synthesis of various chemical messengers known as neurotransmitters. These messengers are responsible for things like cognitive performance, weight, sleep, attentiveness, and mood. Hence are players to how we feel and behave. Studies even say when we are exposed to stress creating situations like extreme environmental conditions, intense exercise, or psychological stress, the brain's requirement of amino acids may be greater than the normal physiological conditions. But to get all the essential amino acids, including various protein rich sources or a mix of a variety of food, can help meet all the requirements. Micronutrients. Our brain requires a steady supply of powerful nutrients, without which it will be susceptible to various brain disease and mental decline. So, nutrients like vitamin B6, B9, B12, vitamin D, choline, and microminerals like copper, iron, zinc, and selenium has all positive impact on cognitive function. Glucose. To efficiently transform and synthesize these powerful nutrients, our brain needs fuel and a lot of it. Human brain makes up only 2% of our body's total weight, but consumes 20% of energy resources. Most of this energy comes from carbohydrates, which our body digests into blood sugar or glucose. The frontal lobes are very sensitive to drop in glucose and can change mental function, which can be the primary signal to nutrient deficiency. Our brain requires a steady, regular supply of glucose, but that depends on what kind of carbohydrates are we eating. Carbohydrates like white bread cause a rapid release of glucose into the blood, causing an immediate spike in blood sugar and then falls down, with which our attention span and mood too. But complex carbohydrates like whole grains, their flour, or legumes have a slower glucose release, enabling a steadier level of attentiveness for sustained brain power. Antioxidants. The brain is vulnerable to excessive oxidative stress due to its high energy requirement, high metabolic load, high lipid content, and weak antioxidant capacity. So, it requires various antioxidants to fight off free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which is associated with neurodegenerative diseases. More and more research is being done which says flavonoids present in blueberries and dark chocolates or cocoa can limit neurodegenerative disease and avoid degradation of cognitive performance. Also, curcumin present in turmeric is found to reduce oxidative stress, can benefit plasticity and cognition. But flavonoids present in other sources, fruits and vegetables of red, blue, purple, white to colorless and yellow pigmentation can also truly benefit. Combination of vitamin C, E and beta carotene can fight off oxidative stress. Optimizing nutrition is a safe and easy way to avoid, treat, and lessen mental illness. Nutrition really matters. So, before you go on a shopping for all your eatables, make sure all the foods for brain is added in your checklist. Anybody on a severe mental health decline is suggested to seek for medical treatment and get assessed by a qualified dietitian who would give a medical nutrition therapy that will support the improvement. I hope you must have learned something new today. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.